Well, we haven't seen this unit in a while. 2010 Tempstar. It's off right now, it hasn't been running. Real noise. But figured I'd come up here and do a video while it's off. My neighbor is on vacation and he usually sets it up kind of high since no one's here. Tempstar. This thing is filthy. Gosh, I remember when this thing was brand new. I remember when they put it in. Tempstar. Oh, this is a heat pump. He did get a heat pump. 13 SEER 4 ton. R410. Made the carrier. It's dirty too. Good old ICP.